Hey everyone. Welcome to this video where I'm going to do simple unboxing of this smartwatch by AWEI. Let's get started. At the beginning, you'll see the box comes in a good package, and you'll have here the name AWEI smartwatch, and you have it in different languages. Then you have H21, which is its series. Then you have the watch in pictures and a few symbols here about features and a number of codes and QR codes and the watch in two colors and source of warranty. So let's get started with opening this smartwatch box first. Okay, so we'll get started with the display. Okay, so this watch full name is AWEI H21, which is a budget-friendly smartwatch with a variety of features. And let's get started with the display. So as you can see, the display is big enough. Okay, display of the watch, as you can see, is big enough. Okay, so it is 2.0-inch IPS touch screen with 240 multiple 284 resolution, and this comes in TFT screen with 240 multiple 296 resolution. It has many options like Bluetooth call-in, where you can make and answer calls directly from the watch, health monitoring, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and some other features. Sports mode, over 100 sports mode for activity tracking. Customizable watch faces, where you can choose from preloaded faces or upload your own photos. Notifications, you can receive notifications for calls and app messages. Music control, where you can have music playback on your connected phone. Remote photography, so you can use the watch to remotely trigger your phone's camera. And waterproof rating, IP65 water resistance. Then a battery of 230 mAh battery with an estimated usage time of 3-5 days and standby time of 7 to 10 days. For connectivity, there is Bluetooth 5.0 and or maybe 5.3. For materials, the most important thing is that it comes in this silicone belt here, which is a nice one. It has many pros: large and clear display, as you can see. It has a large display and it is clear. It has Bluetooth calling functionality, multiple health and fitness tracking, and customizable watch faces, water-resistant design, and also affordable price. You can find it in supermarkets. You can get it online from e-stores, and you can get it from high-tech stores next to your door. Then for cons, unfortunately, GPS is not built in it, and maybe swimming isn't supported despite the water resistance rating. And battery life is moderate, so 3-5 days of usage. Maybe there are others with better features when it comes to battery. When it comes to battery life. Let me open it here. So we'll get this cover like this. Okay. And later on this one. Okay. And this small item here. This small item. Okay. Nice. And here is the power button. So we have to click. We press it for quite some time. Okay, here is the, the screen. So for the screen, you can see a lot of screensavers that you can change anytime. Okay, nice. Okay, and where you can see time and other features, including the battery life. Then the touch screen, the screen touch option. Okay. Okay. So it works. It works well. Okay. And lots of features, as you can see. Okay. So you can see lots of features. That's the setting. Then okay. And then applications. Okay. Big number of applications. So big number of applications. Nice and cool. Okay. So we'll get back, and I press it to stop it. Then I click OK, and I return it back like this. The cover to its appropriate place. Shouldn't forget about this small item here for the settings. Okay. Let me just get it here. And yeah. So nice. Then and like this, fixed. Then on the small bag. Okay, then on the small bag, and on its appropriate place, and I close the box easily. Then okay, as it comes from the store. So don't forget about the QR code. Here you have two QR codes. The first one is for the website, and the other one is for the application that comes with this watch. It has two colors, black color and gold. Okay. Well, if you are into smartwatches, this is affordable price smartwatch with lots of options. It was me, Mohamed, doing the unboxing to this AWEI smartwatch. If you like it, you can find it on the supermarket near your house, or on the tech store, or maybe you can order it on the internet. Well, bye.